Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a project in Scratch whose name is voting game. So start creating it. First of all, you have to choose a paint, create a blank sprite and choose this line, adjust the size, adjust the color, and you have to draw two lines just like a border for your game. So see how I am doing, same how you have to do. And same how you have to adjust. After completing the adjustment of the lines, you have to start coding. So first of all, from events, choose when green flag clicked. Then go to the motion block and choose go to X and Y, and here you have to set the positions for X and Y, and that should be 0. After this, click on looks block and choose a block whose name is go to front layer, and you can change it to back layer here. Then this code is done. Next, we have to choose rock. So click on choose a sprite and search rock here and choose the rock. Okay, now you also have to upload a sprite. I already have downloaded it, and if you don't have, you also can create your own. So you already have 3 costumes available for left, right and up. So you can see I chose up one here. Now we have to start coding for the rock. First of all, choose when green flag clicked and then hide it. Next, you have to choose forever, and inside the forever block you have to create a clone. After creating clone of rock, you have to add wait 1 second from control block, and next you have to choose from control when I start as a clone. Then you have to choose a block, go to front layer and change it to back layer. Then you have to show it, because first in the block you had hide it, now you show it. Then go to the random position and set the position for the Y, and that is 180. Next, set the position for X, and here adjust pick random and change the values to 190 and minus 190. Okay, next we have to choose a forever block here, and after choosing a forever, go in motion and choose change Y by. Change Y means you want to change the Y position of your sprite, and that is rock, and that is by -8. So that can work as a speed in this game. Next, if then conditional statement you have to choose and choose operator less than, and here adjust Y position is less than -170. Then delete this clone. So this is the final code for the rock, you can see here. Now we have to start coding for boat. See how it's working? Okay, let's code for the boat. First of all, choose when green flag clicked. Then click on looks block and choose switch costume to up and switch backdrop to backdrop 1. This backdrop you can change because we hadn't choose any backdrop yet, so we can choose it later. Then go to front layer and go to X and Y. So you have to adjust the positions of X and Y here, and that is 10 and -94. Then choose forever, conditional statement if then inside this, and operator or, and put touching sprite 1. Sprite 1 is borders, these green lines you can see on your screen. And touching rock means what will happen if your boat will touch the green lines or rock. So it will change the backdrop and stop everything. That block you can find in the control block, stop all. Okay, now you have to choose a backdrop. So adjust the switch backdrop to blue sky and let it be backdrop 1 in the next. Now you have to code it again. When green flag clicked, then choose the forever block and put if then else. This is also a conditional statement. And here you also have the else part. Put key, right arrow press, like what will happen if you will press the right key. So red sprites we have to upload here, that is right and left. You can see I'm uploading it from the downloads. Okay. Next you have to code. So here you can change it to right, like when you will press the right arrow, it will go to the right side and the move will be 5. And next else part, so it will go to the up side, like if you are pressing right, then it will go to a right position, otherwise it will go in the straight line. And next again you have to choose the if then, like what will happen if you will press the left key. So here just press left arrow, choose left arrow and change the costume left, and move should be in negative. So because you have to go in the left side, so please don't forget to add the negative sign before it. Now we have to work on game over part, like how our game will be over. So for that you have to code and you have to write the game over. So see how to do. You just you can do it in the backdrop one. You can change its name to game over and you can type game over here. You can set the size, color and font, and like it's your choice, like which font you want to choose here. Then I changed the color to red. Now come back to the code, choose when green flag clicked. Now you have to create a variable score to store the values, and then choose the forever, put wait once again and change my variable to score. So score is changing by 1. So now you can see this game is now ready. So I'll show you. Okay, let's go. My score is 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my god, and oh my god, my game is over. Okay, I also want to create UN part here. So create a blank sprite and write UN there. Then start coding. Choose when green flag clicked and then you have to hide it. Next you have to click on control and you have to choose a block. Wait until. So you have to wait until when your score will be equals to 20 or any value you can write here. It's up to you. Then you have to show it. After score 20 it will be shown. So let's see. Okay, 5, 6, 8, 10. Oh, game over. So I found it difficult to score 20, so I just changed it to 10 and now you can see this is the game, voting game, and I hope you like it. Bye bye.